REPXPERT Academy Live has hosted its first free training event of the year at Basingstoke College of Technology. Held in collaboration with the IMI and guest exhibitors Laser Tools and TechMan, more than 70 technicians sampled the latest Schaeffler technical training modules, covering timing belt drive best practice, an introduction to double clutch repairs, and modern thermal management systems.
So the presentation just gave is like an introduction into switchable water pumps and thermal management systems. So the latest developments in cooling systems and how that helps reduce emissions on today's vehicles.
What we're talking about today is inner timing belts. We're looking mainly at the 4 T's, so talking about temperature, tooling, torque and tension, the big things that are going to affect how you set up a timing belt correctly. And what can go wrong if you don't follow those steps.
Today we're talking about double clutch transmissions. It is a growth sector within the marketplace. It is a more complicated clutch change realistically to your standard manual clutch. There is a setup procedure and tooling and an IMI training course that is available.
Everyone should at least think about attending something like this. It's free, there's a lot of effort that's gone into it. It's just one day, 4 or 5 different locations. You're going to walk away from here more knowledgeable than when you walked in.
I've just done the double clutch one and I've come out of there. I didn't even know that LUK REPXPERT produced gearbox bearing sets, diff sets for BMWs. I've replaced probably 5 or 6 rear diffs on BMWs and just been a straight swap. Could be a game changer knowing that you can get bearing kits and actually repair them.
For me, the thermal management has definitely been the best reason for coming. I've learnt so much from that. It's been a real mind-blowing experience.
It's been very good so far. Yeah, we've learned a lot already. We've been on the thermal management course and the timing belt course. There's always new information. We've learned a lot already. Hopefully we can take that back and put it into practice.
Further events at other locations are expected to take place later this year. Stay up to date with the latest announcements from REPXPERT by going to repexpert.co.uk.